Sports have many moments that inspire respect and warm our hearts. And today, we have an amazing compilation of respect-worthy moments for you. Here's the footage from futsal semifinals, where one player admitted to scoring a goal using his hand and requested for it to be annulled. This guy deserves respect for his honesty.
All the guilty party.
Soccer player Arturo Vidal was wrongly awarded a yellow card and a penalty, but the Real Madrid player deliberately missed the goal.
Scored 2 goals. And what a big moment that might prove to be.
After the fight, the winner came to support his opponent and to thank him for the fight. That's what true respect for your opponent looks like. And here, LeBron James is practicing passes with a fan during the game. I can only imagine how happy this guy must have felt. And here, 2 hockey players from opposing teams are using an original method to determine the winner. Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan crashed into each other during the game. Check out the mutual camaraderie of these basketball giants. It looks like JJ has fans of all ages. This woman is 99 years old, but that didn't stop her from coming to the game to support her idol. A little moment of love on the way to victory. Cyclist Guy Sagiv kissed his girlfriend without having to slow down the pedaling. During a race, one cyclist's bike broke down, so another competitor gave him his. Now that deserves some respect. And here you see MMA fighter Deanna Bennett and Melinda Fabian exchanging gifts and hugs instead of threats and menacing glances. What a lovely sight. Anything can happen during a tennis game. Here, for example, a tennis player couldn't stop moving, and as a result, he flipped over the net. Thankfully, his opponent quickly came to his aid.
Yeah, he's brilliant.
This took place at the Judo World Championship 2021. An athlete from Georgia helped his opponent get up and leave the tatami while supporting him. Who said that MMA fighters can't be nice? Look at the way these two are exchanging pleasantries after a fight.
Thanks, man. Thank you, buddy. Number one. Thank you.
This fan swapped some mints for a hockey puck. What an amusing barter. LeBron James has already proven to be a sound guy, and this game is yet another example. The player accidentally knocked down the vendor and took a minute to help the woman back up.
Give her a hug, pat her on the head, and just in case you're...
One of the cheerleaders' dad demonstrated how to support their kid. Just look at the way he's dancing along. Two cars came off the racetrack after a crash. One of the drivers went to help the other one get out of his car.
Big in terms of side intrusion contact as we've ever seen. In fact, lucky with the new generation cars that you sit further across, and a lot of work's gone in the driver's side.
The Belgian athlete tried to get ahead and take the 3rd position in the race. However, she stumbled and fell, crying with frustration. The Ukrainian athlete, who finished first, ran back to help her opponent finish the race. The dream of this 12-year-old Shakhtar fan came true during this game. This boy's family miraculously escaped Mariupol and moved to Poland. They had a chance to attend the Shakhtar Lechia game, where towards the end of the game, the referee allowed the boy to come out onto the field. basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo gifted a pair of sneakers with his autograph to a young fan. The boy was gleaming with joy.
This is for your sister. This is for you.
A spectacular finish when one of the fighters helped his opponent get up and gave him his belt. A man caught a ball that went out of bounds, and this small child came over trying to buy the ball, but the man simply gave it to him instead. One child's happiness is worth more than money. What could make a fan happier than a gift from their idol? This young fan received a hockey stick from her favorite hockey player, Sidney Crosby. And here, the figure skater that came third was accidentally awarded with the golden medal. But girls standing on the pedestal quickly resolved the misunderstanding and even had a laugh. And here is another show of camaraderie at a marathon, when the competitive spirit gives way for humanity. Two men practically carry a young woman to the finish line where she can get some help. Neymar loves making his fans happy, and this time the soccer player gave his fan a t-shirt. This guy could not contain his joy. A karate competitor stopped his opponent from falling over during a fight. That's all you need to know about respect for your competition. Football player Drew Chrisman invited his girlfriend onto the pitch, pretending to allow her to hit the ball, but then he stopped his significant other to pull out a ring and propose. Neymar often brings joy to his younger fans, and this girl was very happy to get a gift from her idol. Tennis player Rafael Nadal accidentally hit the ball towards the ball girl. The athlete immediately ran over to make sure she's okay. Sometimes the love of your fans has no bounds. This man ran out onto the pitch, and Messi couldn't leave his fan without a gift. This guy was invited to the pitch to pass the ball to his idol, and he did a pretty good job. And this tennis player expressed respect for his partner in a very interesting manner. We're back with Neymar and his fans. I could watch this forever. Sports are a competition, but it also reminds us to stay kind and compassionate. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more amazing content.